My name's Laura Holmquist.
And my name's Stephen Holmquist.
Both born and raised in Thunder Bay. I moved down here to London for university, and then Steve followed. We got engaged when I was in third year university, and we got married about 3 years later after we moved here to Hamilton.
I started looking at buying a house because we were spending so much money on rent and weren't really getting anything out of it. We drove through this neighborhood here that we are in now and saw the brand new house and decided to build our own house. And at first we didn't really think we needed it. We're young, healthy, and didn't really want it.
She said, well, let's sign up and then you guys can think about it, and then you can always call me. You have a lot of time to think about it. I started to feel numbness in my hands and in my arm, and I thought it was actually from my job. It's just from the nature of my work, and I let it go for a while, and then I ended up in the hospital because I wanted to find out what was going on, and I had to wait a long time for tests, so I just went into emergency and they told me the news that I have multiple sclerosis.
It was definitely, like one of the worst days of our lives, not knowing what the future holds for us, being a month away from just moving into our house, not even knowing if we're going to be able to keep it or not.
In all honesty, I didn't think we were going to get approved, just because you hear all these terrible stories about insurance companies, like they'll find loopholes and this and that. I went to the mailbox one day and I got this letter and I was like, oh my God, like they've been paying.
Definitely knowing that we have the insurance is extremely comforting. Not knowing what could happen to Laura in the future or even me, knowing that the insurance is there and will help us through it, and that we'll be okay.
It's a very small percentage of our mortgage payment, and it's 100% worth it.